and welcome to Finextra. I'm Hannah Wallace and we're here at EBAday 2018 in Munich. Joining me now is William Hoffman, Head of CISO for EMEA at Deutsche Bank, and we're discussing cybersecurity. Hello William, how are you?
Hi Hannah, nice to meet you.
How are you enjoying the event so far?
It's been a great day so far.
Now, under the topic of cybersecurity, we'll be touching on information sharing, collaboration, and indeed the ever-evolving regulatory landscape. But firstly, setting the scene, how are financial institutions managing cybersecurity? And would you say they're fully aware of the consequences it presents?
I think as an industry, absolutely. We understand the trust placed in us by our clients and by the economy. So we take our responsibility for cybersecurity very seriously. Organizations that do this well take a very holistic view to cybersecurity risk. We invest in state-of-the-art technical controls that allows our business to move at the velocity in which our clients expect, but equally we invest in non-technical controls, in our people. We want to raise the awareness of cybersecurity issues across our entire workforce so that they know how to protect themselves, not just at work, but in their personal lives as well. And having these controls in place is one part of it, but we continually test them and adapt them to make sure that they're effective and we're staying ahead of the threat landscape.
All right, and what trends and threats are you seeing in the industry today?
So clearly financial services is a major target for cyber criminals. They go where the money is, that's not a surprise. What we've seen over the past couple of years is this rising sophistication in the threats and the techniques that the attackers are using to attack us. In fact, the malware that's used to target financial services specifically is about 20% more sophisticated than targeted other industries. So clearly there's a massive challenge for us to stay ahead of that. We've also seen with this rising sophistication a greater ability for criminals to make off with the financial gains, either through leveraging weaknesses in the financial infrastructure or leveraging cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. And then finally, the interconnectivity of the entire financial infrastructure means that there are certain regions and companies that don't necessarily have the same focus on security, and those introduce vulnerabilities into the landscape.
Okay then, and do you think the industry is doing enough to collectively tackle this issue? Would you say there's enough collaboration and information sharing?
Yeah, information sharing represents a huge opportunity for us as an industry. In fact, banks don't compete with each other when it comes to cybersecurity. We work together to improve the security of the entire economy. And access to good, actionable information allows us to create an early warning signal with each other and actually kind of unlock the power of this network that we have of what may be happening in another organization or in another region. And we actually see a role that regulators can play here as well by creating a robust and effective and secure environment in which we can further share information with each other.
Mm-hmm. It's an interesting space to watch out for. William, thank you for your thoughts.
Excellent, thank you for having me.
And thank you for watching.